Welcome to our channel. Netgear AX1600 Wi-Fi Mesh Extender. Setup process, not as bad as it looks. It's got Ethernet ports, LEDs and everything. Setup can go two ways. Through the Nighthawk app or directly using your browser. App will detect your existing Wi-Fi and let you link up as an extender or access point. Dual band coverage, it's solid. You're getting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, so your slower smart plugs or bulbs stay on 2.4 while your phone and laptop jump on 5 GHz. It actually balances it well once the mesh is locked in. Speed depends on your router. A lot of folks expect the AX1600 to magically boost their speed. It doesn't work like that. It extends what your main router already puts out. So if your router's weak, this won't suddenly make it lightning fast. Mesh mode versus extender mode. If you're using a newer Netgear router that supports mesh, enable mesh mode. That way you keep one Wi-Fi name across the house. If your router's older, go with extender mode. LED indicators, don't ignore them. Those little lights aren't for show. When you plug it in, wait for the link LED to turn solid. If it's red or amber, move it closer to your main router. People usually place extenders too far and then complain it's slow. Placement, half the battle. Stick it roughly midway between your router and the dead zone. Avoid corners, behind TVs, or near microwaves. You want open air, line of sight if possible. That's what helps Wi-Fi travel clean. Ethernet backhaul, underrated feature. You can wire the extender directly to the router using Ethernet, and it becomes a full access point. If your walls are thick or you've got multiple floors, do this. You'll get the most reliable speeds. Firmware updates, don't skip this. Before you start using it daily, go into the Nighthawk app or the web interface and check for updates. Netgear pushes stability fixes often. Skipping that step is why some people face random disconnects. Performance in real-world use. It handles multiple devices without much slowdown. You'll still see a slight dip in download speeds on the extended network compared to the main one, but not enough to ruin streaming or gaming. Final takeaway, it's worth it if placed right. The AX1600 isn't some magic Wi-Fi miracle box, but if your router's decent and you set this up correctly, it kills those annoying dead spots. You'll get solid range, good throughput, and no more buffering in the corners of your home. Thank you for watching.